Tired of kitchen clutter and endless cooking time? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your meals. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance truly does it all, replacing your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops by consolidating 9 separate kitchen gadgets into one sleek unit. Its 15 customizable smart programs mean you can effortlessly prepare everything from perfect yogurt to slow-cooked stews with just a touch. This versatility makes cooking complex recipes simple and perfect for any home cook looking to save time. Inside, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking and incredibly easy cleanup every single time. What truly makes the Duo Plus special is how it consistently delivers chef-quality meals while drastically cutting down prep and cook times. If you're ready to simplify your cooking and invest in the best kitchen gadget, click the Amazon link below to buy your Instant Pot Duo Plus now. It's genuinely the smart choice for anyone wanting unparalleled convenience and delicious results. For the ultimate kitchen upgrade and the best pressure cooker of 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute game changer.